how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Khaira Atifa. You can call me Tifa.
Okay, Tifa, can you tell me the order of days?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay, good. Can you tell me the order of month?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. What is the date today, Tifa?
Saturday, February 14, 2026.
Okay. When is your birthday?
November 17, 2014.
What is the 10th month of the year, Tifa?
October.
Okay, good. What is the day after Thursday?
Friday.
Friday. Good. Can you tell me name of season?
Summer, autumn, rainy season, dry season.
Okay, next. Tell me names of weather.
Windy, rainbow, tornado, and rainy.
Okay, good. What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is rainbow.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is rainbow.
Okay, good. Tifa, what clothes in the summer?
Short, t-shirt, shirt, shoes, skirt,
Next, what clothes in the winter?
jacket, hoodie, denim, pants, and gloves.
Okay. What are you wearing now?
Today I'm wearing yellow belt, white blouse, brown skirt.
Okay, good. Next, can you tell me name toys and games, Tifa? Toys.
Doll, ball, yo-yo, kite,
Okay, how about games?
hide and seek, jump, and
Jump rope.
jump rope, and play.
Okay. What toys do you have?
I have kite, yo-yo, doll, and puzzle.
Okay, what is your favorite games?
My favorite games is hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Can you tell me example of outdoor activities?
Swimming, have a picnic, hiking, and biking.
Very good. Can you tell me example of indoor activities?
Reading,
Reading.
painting, singing, dancing.
Okay. Next, tell me name of sport.
Badminton, baseball, volleyball, football, and ice hockey.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming.
Okay, good. Let's see the picture, Tifa. Can you tell me part of the house? What is this room?
Fresh,
Window.
well,
Wall.
window, door, stair,
What is this?
chimney,
Yard.
yard,
Very good. Next question. What room is this, Tifa? Bed.
bed,
Bathroom.
bed,
Okay.
bed, blanket, pillow, desk, lamp, table, window,
Okay. Where is the pillow, Tifa?
the pillow is on the bed.
Okay, good. Where is the painting? Painting. Painting
The
is
painting is
on the
on the
wall.
on the wall.
On the wall. Okay, where is the book? The book
The book
is
is
on the.
on the desk.
Okay, very good. Next, what is this? Living room. Okay, describe it.
Sofa,
Sofa,
pillow, curtain,
curtain,
window, lamp, table,
hmm,
and
toys,
toys,
guitar.
jar,
Okay. Where is the cat before? Cat.
uh,
Where's the cat? The cat
the
is
cat is
on the.
on the sofa.
Okay, good. Where is the bag? The bag
The
is
bag is
by the.
by the right.
Okay, very good. Next, what room is this? Bed.
Bedroom.
Okay, describe it.
Sink,
Good.
in, mirror, toilet, toilet papers, shelf, bathtub,
Bin.
bin,
Okay. Where is the sink, people? The sink
the
is
sink is in the mirror.
the sink is by the.
By the
Where is the toilet?
toilet is
Between
between bathtub and bin.
Okay, very good. Next, what is this? Kitchen. Okay. Describe the picture. Stove,
Stove,
pan,
oven,
pan,
bin, pan, saucepan, blender,
knife,
knife,
fork.
sink,
Okay. Where is the fork?
fork,
Is
fork is
on the.
on the table.
Where is the pan? Pan
The pen
is.
is on the knife.
Okay, very good. Next question. Can you tell me name of transportation?
School bus, car, bus,
Taxi.
motorcycle, bicycle.
Okay. How do you go to school, Tifa?
Go to school by car and motorcycle.
Very good. Can you tell me name of jobs?
Doctor, police, actor, pilot, businessman, and astronaut.
Okay. What do you want to be in the future, Tifa?
In the future, I wanna be architect.
Okay. Good. Next, name public places.
Hotel, hospital, bakery, barber shop, library, market.
Okay. Tifa, a place to get on a train.
Um, train,
Train station.
station.
Okay. A place where we can see sunset and play sand.
Beach,
Okay. Last question. A place to read and borrow books.
library.
Library. Okay. Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.